So over here you can see that I have an image and I can go ahead and navigate out. I can zoom out and zoom in by using the scroll mouse button and utilize the hand tool and the zoom tool as well. But if you want to get more control over navigation, then you can utilize something called the Navigator. So to access it, you can go around onto Windows right here, just like this. And then what happens is that you get the Navigator option right here. If I were to click on it, then you can see that this is what you have. You can click on this particular icon and you get the Navigator right here, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see. You can even go around and drag out the Navigator wherever you like right here, just like this. You can drag it out to the left and change around the tabs as well. So over here, if I were to go around and zoom in, you can see that I can zoom in to a particular section. I can also move this around, as you can see right here. So I can go around, utilize the hand tool over here in the Navigator to move it around. You can go around, zoom out and zoom in right here and then navigate. You can also change around the angle right here and rotate it around, as you can see right here, just like this on different angles. And that is how you can go around and navigate around in an image or your project inside of Photopea. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.